Hi, I'm Denis from SDCentrum. Our team helps companies make their data available for detailed analytics by sourcing it from various systems. And we also improve the data quality by developing the rules and data governance framework. And today, let me share the steps our team follows when we work on a data integration project to ensure its success and effectiveness. At first, we define the project objectives. Clearly outline the goals and objectives of the data integration project. Understand what data needs to be integrated, the purpose of integration, and the desired outcomes. Then, identify data sources. Identify the sources from which data needs to be extracted and integrated. These sources could be databases, applications, API, or files, or cloud-based services. Then, assess data quality. Evaluate the quality of data in the source systems. Identify any data inconsistencies, duplications, or missing information that might affect the integrity of the integrated data. The next step is to establish data governance. Establishing the policies and rules to ensure data consistency, security, and compliance through the integration process. Then, choose integration approach. Decide on the appropriate integration approach based on the project requirements. This could include ETL, extract, transform, and load, for batch processing, real-time integration through APIs, or combination of both. Plan data mapping. Create a data mapping plan that defines how data from various systems will be transformed and mapped to the target system's data structure. We will also need to involve all relevant stakeholders, including business users, IT teams, and management. This is to gain buy-in and support for the data integration project. Then, develop a detailed project timeline with defined milestones, deadlines, and responsibilities to keep the project on track. Then, properly document the entire integration process, including data mapping, transformations, and architecture design for future references and knowledge sharing. Then, choose the right integration tools or platforms that align with the project objectives and technical requirements. This could include ETL tools, API management platforms, or middleware solution. Next, design a robust data integration architecture that accommodates scalability, performance, and security aspects. With the selected tools and by following the technical design, develop the integration flows and data mapping. Then we need to test data integration to ensure that data is accurately integrated and the process meets the defined objectives. Perform unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end scenarios. Implement the data security measures to protect sensitive information during the integration process. Comply with relevant data privacy regulations and ensure that access controls are in place. And of course, we will need to implement monitoring mechanism to track data integration performance and identify any potential issues. We will need to develop error handling process to handle data discrepancies and failures. And of course, plan for the change management. Anticipate and address any changes that might occur during the integration project. Plan for data updates and system modifications. And finally, if necessary, create a data migration plan to transfer historical data from legacy system to the new integrated environment. By following these steps, you can set a solid foundation for a successful data integration project and ensure that integrated data is accurate, reliable, and valuable to the organization. Consider engaging our team to assist you in developing the integration. Contact me, Denis, today to discuss this further. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day. See you!